咱个来看爱尔兰哦，即马正时间一种海外的山温暖哦，业者用拖车甲航路径载去海边啊，民众会当先行好少，随当跳落去海底来浸水哦。体验过的民众是拢真饿了。
伫爱尔兰面对大西洋的哥隆尼亚海沙坡，有一台插拖车内面有一个顶落内面的水正伫咧滚，温度正悬，互人挖滚就凊汗。先伫内面浸烧水，时间到了，行出来走去大海内面，浸喺冰凉的海水内面，感受这种烧冷交替刺激感。爱尔兰这几年正流行海沙坡三温暖。
I'm doing this pretty much every single weekend for a year. It has become an addiction, which is obviously a very healthy addiction. It's the feeling that you get from being in the freezing cold water and then in the very hot sauna. It just makes you feel so incredibly alive.
伫咧做艺术创作的费吉阳讲，身体伫咧静底时间内，连续接触到热加冷的温度，会让互大脑释放幸福的荷尔蒙，也就是脑内啡，互人疏解压力、心情放松。三温暖会当提悬身体核心温度，互心跳较紧，加强血液循环，人会较健康。亲像因为关节炎，常常浸三温暖较袂疼的康诺里，伫咧疫情封锁期间无所在通去，伊就将伊的拖车改成真侪顶路色，规台车驶去海边啊，享受烧冷交替三温暖，边人看到拢真好奇。尾仔伊想讲，归起来做生意，招人客来使用。
So we started 3 years ago and there was only a handful of us dotted along the coastline. Now there's pretty much one on every beach in Cork. I think like it's really becoming a social thing.
有学生囡仔运动煞了，规定就来加进三温暖，要翁仔某还个规家伙啊水阵来体验的。对一开始无熟悉，到尾啊，大家互相伫咧开讲，敢若变做一个社交场所。爱浸三温暖的人讲，伫海边啊浸三温暖，爽快程度袂输互啉酒。
I know everyone knows finding benefits from it, and it's become a real team and a real kind of thing to do for teams and just lads my age in general, you know.
三温暖的文化伫咧爱尔兰历史真久，资料记载差不多伫17世纪的庄卡就真侪圆顶石头起的建筑物结构。把草烧过了，产生烧气，会当摕来治疗感冒、发烧、风湿加关节炎。
There are many archaeological digs around Ireland that have uncovered what they call sweat houses. People would have gone in ancient times for religious reasons, for medicinal purposes, hallucinogenic purposes or reasons. We don't guarantee the hallucinogenic things in our sauna, but definitely it's all for well-being.
业者讲，即马来海边浸三温暖的消费者愈来愈多，变做爱尔兰新的海洋观光经济。公司新闻张淑芬编辑。